And then I'm using a damp brush just to lift some of that colour out to give me some clouds. Don't want a big dramatic sky. I've let that sky, the amount of water in that sky drop back just a little bit, but my distant trees that I'm putting in here, the sky is still damp but not really wet. So those are going to spread into that sky just a little bit. I'm just using the end of a little bamboo stick. Again, it's just scratching some marks into the painting. This creates a little texture on the surface of the paper, and the paint can dip and pool into that, and it can just move the paint around a little bit. I'm just picking up my palette knife here, just scraping away along the base of that hedgerow just to give it a bottom line. Again, just building up more of that intensity of colour. This time I've taken my gold ochre colours and I've added some of more of a red into that. So I think this was like a cadmium red that I've added in here. Just wanted this little flash of colour. Lit up a purple here. Just saw a little flash of colour on my finger, which was an opera rose, which is quite a bright rose, and I've used that with some ultramarine just to give me these beautiful violet tones. So as I come forward, I'm putting in more of my warmer colours, my ochres, reds, oranges, peaches, and those purpley shadows. And a bit of water to make that run.